excited for today. I am finally going to get my hair done. I'm going to get a haircut, which is honestly long overdue. I'll show you guys a before. Pretty long. I feel like I can touch it like this. I feel like it's pretty long. I want to do kind of like a brown with fall coming up. I know it's like still summer, but I am very excited for fall. New season, new haircut. Always feels so good. Finished my hair. I love it. I love the color too. I always get so hungry after I do my hair, so I think I'm gonna get myself some food. I'm near Chinatown, so I'm craving some Xi'an famous foods. It's one of my favorite go-to places. So yummy, and I love this like cold noodle dish called Liangpi. I'm gonna have a little solo meal before I head back. Hi. Just got this beautiful light in, and I forgot to order the cord for it, so that just came. So I can finally use a light bulb. I got it from Hay, Hay. Set it up. You like it?
Good job, babe. You're so talented.
Kobe likes it. You think it looks nice? Come here. Come here. Why are you being weird? What's he doing? Come here. I just got some pieces from Abercrombie and Fitch for like summer to fall transitional outfits, and I feel like they're so cute, versatile. You can pretty much style it in so many different ways. Thank you so much to Abercrombie and Fitch for sponsoring this portion of the video. You guys know I love their clothes and they just fit me really well, and they are just like great pieces to have in your wardrobe. I'll have all of these pieces linked down below as usual. So first is this bodysuit. I love the one shoulder detail. I think it's just like such a classic piece to have in your closet, and it's just really comfortable. These are called the 90s relaxed jeans high rise, and I love this wash. I think this is like the perfect light to medium wash jeans, and I really love how it fits. I did get the regular length, but they also have petite and tall, which is really nice. I think Abercrombie and Fitch does denim so well. This is another piece that I got that I am obsessed with. This is like such a cute, versatile sweater. I really love the black and white stripes, and it is so soft, you guys. I feel like this is such a good sweater to just throw on when it gets a little bit chillier. Another way that I will be wearing this sweater is just kind of like an over the shoulder moment, just kind of perfect, and it's so cute. Okay, so these are the black jeans that I was telling you guys about. I love the fit of this as well. This is the same style as the other ones, the 90s relax, and these are both in a high rise. I love jeans for fall. I feel like they're the perfect go-to pair of pants, and all you really need is like a light to medium wash and a pair of black wash. This next piece that I got, I have been looking everywhere for something like this, which is like a really nice black trench coat. I love trench coats. I think they are just a piece that you can have in your closet for a really long time, and they never really go out of style. This next piece that I actually got in two different colors because I love this style so much. I feel like it's so chic and it's just like such an easy thing to throw on. I paired it with some ballet flats, but you can also wear this with boots. This one is navy with pinstripes, and I also got it in this gray color. Can't decide which one I like more. I love both of them so much. I'm so excited for fall and just kind of like cooler weather. I love fall so much, so I'm definitely going to be wearing all these pieces a lot. Make sure to shop Abercrombie and Fitch's new arrivals. They have such cute stuff for fall. We're in Industry City, looking at the furniture outlets at the Design Within Reach one. See if we can find anything. This is not bad. Kind of like this dining table. It's kind of too long though, I think. A lot of dining chairs here. This one's nice. Actually, I really like this dining table. I think this is the perfect size. Maybe we can measure it out and then see if it's too big for the island and come back for it. You guys think this is gonna be too big for our island? It is dinner time. Samson went to play basketball, so it is dinner for one. Honestly, we've been cooking a lot in this new kitchen, which I am very happy about. Today, I'm feeling a little bit lazy, but we still have a lot of food in the fridge, like a lot of groceries. So I think this is what I'm gonna make. Like, it's gonna be a very lazy girl dinner. It's okay because we're still gonna cook, so it still counts. I just got this flap meat from H Mart, and I'm gonna eat it with some kimchi. And I know it sounds like nothing, but it's really good, guys. You need to try it. And the best part is it's so quick and easy. I'm also gonna slice some cucumbers for a little side dish. Add some garlic, some sesame oil, a little bit of soy sauce, and just a little bit of sugar. And let's mix that up. If I had like Laogama hot sauce, which is like a Chinese chili oil hot sauce, I would have added that too. So good. You guys have probably been seeing those like girl dinner TikToks. This is my girl dinner. A little bit of rice, kimchi. Yeah, this is definitely such a girl dinner. Finish it off with a little bit of wine just to add to this girl dinner. Cheers. I also got some candle holders. They were meant for the dining room, but we still haven't gotten but we still have not gotten a dining table, so why not just use it? It's so cute. Oh my gosh, I feel like I want to break it. So cute, right? I love them. Also got these spiral candles, which I think fits the vibe perfectly. Ah, they're so cute. Oh, I almost forgot the most important thing of this girl dinner. Seaweed. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. Seaweed, a little bit of rice. I used to eat this all the time in college when I was lazy to make food. The beef, and then just a little bit of kimchi. We just eat it in one bite. It's honestly so good. Then we have the cucumber as a little snack. This is the vibes now, guys. final box of stuff, and this is all pants, and we are gonna box this and we will be done for the most part unpacking. Today's mission is to tackle my bathroom. There's a mess in here. I have storage, but I just have like a lot of products laying around. I'm gonna get it organized. I'm gonna turn it into a little spa. For the final step, I got some eucalyptus off of Amazon, and I've seen people hang it in their shower and you smell it when you shower, so it's like a full spa experience. I got the small one. Made a mapo tofu dish for lunch today. I'm really craving this. Curious to how the sauce packet tastes.
Is that beef in it?
It's pork.
Did it come with pork?
No, I bought the pork.
Oh, okay. I thought the packet came with pork.
No. Not too shabby.